Thank you for visiting Wealthy Coins again. Zero will be dropped by SHIB this week in just this manner. Latest updates about Shiba Inu. There will be breakout trading in the Shiba Inu price later on Wednesday in the US session. If bulls wish to take advantage of the momentum, they need to roll the dice at the inflection point that the chart is pointing to using several indications. The price action is supported and there is plenty of potential to move higher, so bulls might make up to 30% on this breakout bet. This video will go over the specifics of how SHIB plans to drop zero this week. Breaking news about Shiba Inu today. To stay updated on our latest material about Shiba Inu price forecasts and expert analysis, hit the like button, share it and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get the video started. The price of Shiba Inu is seeing bullish intervention. Price activity remained above $0.00001 throughout Wednesday's European session, supported by the 200-day simple moving average SMA. The bulls are getting close to the breakout point, which is that red descending trend line. Until the 55-day simple moving average SMA, the breakout does not face any strong resistance levels, which bodes well for Shib bulls. That one is little higher than $0.0001200, which suggests the bulls have a chance to regain control of that psychological level. If further positive feedback from the well-attended by Friday, the Shib's prognosis predicts an additional influx of $0.00013000130 USD. The green ascending trendline poses the greatest threat of a decline, with the monthly S1 and that red line at $0.0000966 for the low of March. The area below that $0.0000100 level is highly choppy, but once broken it might cause a catalyst move. The outcome can be a precipitous drop to $0.0000738. Shiba Inu, the second biggest meme coin in the world, is still making waves in every area it enters. The most recent news is that prominent Japanese cryptocurrency exchanges have been approached by the Shiba Inu community to list SHIB tokens. With over 2.5 million members, Bitflyer is one of the biggest exchanges in Japan. They have announced that they will start supporting the trade of SHIB tokens. Earlier today, on March 22, Bitflyer made the news. The Japanese company Bitflyer has been tight-lipped about its strategy thus far, but it did announce a Shiba handling memorial with a prize fund of 10,000 Japanese yen with 20 qualified winners. Just like on March 22, the campaign will begin today and conclude as soon as Bitflyer takes over SHIB. When it comes to Japanese cryptocurrency exchanges that support SHIB transfers, Bitflyer is far from alone. The Japanese branch of the San Francisco-based exchange OKCoin began processing SHIB transactions last month on February 28. In addition, the Shiba Inu listing was well received by the exchange. Meme coin Shiba Inu also had a huge increase in its burn rate, which surged by 4,600%. The burn rate is the percentage of tokens that are taken out of circulation, which reduces the overall supply of the SHIB cryptocurrency. Since this sharp increase in the burn rate of SHIB effectively limits the supply, it stands to reason that the cryptocurrency's value will rise as a result. But investors are perplexed because the Shiba Inu market price hasn't changed much and has been quite consistent. With a market worth of $6.4 billion, the Shiba Inu meme coin is currently trading at $0.0001087. Despite the general uptick in the Bitcoin market this month, Shiba Inu opted out of the action. The lack of significant movement in the SHIB trace over the past 2 weeks suggests that institutional investors and dealers are uncertain about the cryptocurrency's long-term prospects. Shiba Inu's core development team has also been slow to release Shibarium, a protocol for Layer 2 scaling. Additionally, there are other initiatives that are eagerly anticipating the introduction of Shibarium. Greatly awaited SHIB. The announcement of the metaverse's launch on the Shibarium platform has been made. Despite Shiba Inu's rather sluggish performance in the current market upswing, there are still enthusiastic analysts who maintain their optimism. While Balaji Srinivasan is predicting that the price of Bitcoin would reach $1 million, well-known crypto enthusiast David Gokhshtein recently stated that his wager of SHIB at 1 cent is still valid. But at the current SHIB to price, that would be 100 times gain. In such case, Gokhshtein has threatened to remove 700,000 people from his Twitter account. Due to historical evidence indicating a potential short-term decrease in pricing, a crypto wallet that holds a significant amount of Shiba Inu tokens is transferring funds to exchanges. During Monday early Asian hours, Wallet 0xD6 sent over 182 billion Shiba Inu tokens to the cryptocurrency exchanges Gemini and Crypto.com. Considerable evidence is presented by analytics company Look On Change. More than 200 billion SHIB were transferred from the same wallet to Crypto.com and sold for US$ 3 months ago. Right then the price of SHIB dropped 7%. You can see how the price is doing by watching where tokens are going from wallets with a lot of supply. Due to the increased availability on the market, the price of tokens may fall if they are sold in significant quantities. But prices might not fall sharply if tokens are transferred to associated decentralized finance DeFi apps. According to Etherscan, the wallet 0xD6 is holding almost 3.1 trillion Shiba Inu tokens, which at the present pricing are worth nearly $40 million. That amounts to just over 0.3% of all Shiba Inu tokens in circulation. According to Look On Chain, the wallet spent 10 ETH, a little over $3,000 at the time in August 2020 to buy Shiba Inu coins. The price of Shiba Inu coin has remained stable even if the price of Bitcoin has surged. Meme currency isn't doing as well as other cryptocurrencies right now while Bitcoin fights its $28,000 resistance. Holding SHIB ter company to Lateran 2 network launch. According to the price chart, there was a small rise of 0.85% for SHIB ter on Friday. Currently the price of the widely used meme coin is $0.00001,067. The coin's value is up 10.8% from its monthly lows and down 32% from its year-to-date highs. The price of SHIB ter is currently showing signs of sideways accumulation, which could indicate that a significant change is imminent. Recently, the Shibarium layer's long-awaited debut to blockchain has dominated SHIB ter headlines. The meme coin community is eagerly awaiting this, as it has the potential to drive up the price of Shiba Inu coins. No one knows when the new blockchain's mainnet will go live because its creators are keeping their cards close to their breast. Since March 11, the network's public beta version has been available to the public. But because an existing blockchain is being used as a chain ID, the new meme coin blockchain's euphoria has taken a tumble. Someone in the community brought this up in the Discord. According to the accompanying Shib chart, the price has formed a lower low on the daily chart. The technical community sees this as a possible indication of weakness and the beginning of a downward trend. In addition, the price is making a low point at the 200-day moving average and the $0.0001086 support level. The Koyo token is part of the DeFi project, which is a decentralized finance initiative built on the Ethereum blockchain. Its goal is to create a platform where users may stake, lend, and borrow money without a central authority. The Koyo token is the coin that runs on the platform. All of the platform's financial services can be accessed using this payment option. Having a market valuation of under $8.4 million, the token is placed 3,180th on CoinMarketCap. Despite this, the project has spent around $50,000 or 4.631 billion Shiba Inu tokens in the past 10 days, which is a significant portion of the SHIB ter loss in the past 2 weeks. The amount has caused others to question the veracity of the figures. There has been new confirmation of the figures by SHIB ter Burn, a specialized burn tracker for Shiba Inus. The burn portal was used to burn Shiba Inu